Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Chevrolet Cruze vs Malibu crash test, which is better. Start by looking at frontal, side, and rollover ratings, and note where each car excels. Pay attention to passenger compartment intrusion, airbag coverage, and child seat anchors. Also check how repairable the structures are and whether safety tech like automatic emergency braking is standard or optional on each trim. Keep notes to decide which model fits your priorities. We break down the most important differences that affect real-world safety, like crumple zones, door beam strength, and airbag systems. Notice which car keeps the passenger cabin more intact in crash photos and which adds active safety as standard equipment. I'll point out how optional packages change a car from average to above average and what that means for everyday driving peace of mind. Think beyond the raw ratings and consider insurance, repair costs, and real-world usability. A heavier or larger sedan might fare differently in multi-vehicle crashes, while standard safety gear reduces risk for all drivers. I'll explain how trim choices change protection and why a slightly lower rating can still be acceptable if the car includes key active safety features you will use every day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.